Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp with pasta. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. You'll need 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, along with 8 ounces of pasta. Don't forget to mince 3 cloves of garlic and chop 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Having everything prepped saves time and makes the cooking enjoyable. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's get those shrimp perfectly cooked. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, add your shrimp in a single layer. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn a beautiful pink and are opaque. Be careful not to overcook them as they can become tough. Remove the cooked shrimp and set them aside, keeping those flavorful pan juices in the skillet. With the shrimp set aside, it's time to build our incredible sauce. Add the minced garlic to the skillet and sauté for about 1 minute until it's wonderfully fragrant. Next, deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of white wine or chicken broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of butter and 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water. This creates a rich, emulsified sauce that coats everything beautifully. Almost there. Now, add your cooked pasta and the shrimp back into the skillet with that amazing sauce. Toss everything gently to combine, making sure every strand of pasta and every shrimp is coated in the flavorful sauce. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Garnish your dish with the fresh parsley and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Serve this delightful shrimp pasta immediately and enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.